Hey, diving into how you can find video sales letter, text sales landers, and other types of sales pages for a lot of the ClickBank offers out there. Because if you click into the marketplace here, I'll just hit the general one so I can see all the offers. If you just click promote, you'll probably get a page that looks a lot like, well, maybe you might get a variety of pages, but you might get this kind of page. So if I'm an affiliate, I can promote this page. It might look great, might work great for my traffic, but maybe I need something more salesy. Maybe I need a video sales letter. Maybe I need a text sales letter for my traffic. Maybe I need something else. I can go, instead of just hitting promote, I can click on this affiliate page button. Not every offer has this, but a lot of them do. Hit affiliate page. Now I'm in my Access Affiliate Resources page. They might look different. These are pages that the offer owners host. And here it's giving me, they've kind of built it for me. But I can say show advanced options. Again, this is something the seller has put out, not ClickBank. So they're kind of giving it here. So I can say I want it to be a hop link versus direct link, which is a way to track into ClickBank without using a hop link. You can use direct linking. But maybe I want to go to the VSL. I want to go branded with video. Let's see what that looks like. I want to be autoplay on. Yes. I want all the defaults there. And they have, I believe, yep. So they're changing the link up here for me. Thank you, Paravive. Now I'll copy that, paste it to my browser. And now I'm going to a page with the video. And it's also got that stuff I liked before. If I would have selected default, only the video, it probably wouldn't have that. Let's see what that looks like. It probably doesn't have that product stuff below it. It's probably only the video. Yep, it's only the video. So I can kind of change around the things I want. If I wanted that video speed controls, maybe I'm running on Taboola or something. I know they need video speed controls. I know it needs an advertiser header. I know it needs to be branded with video if there's going to be video. I know it can't have an exit pop. I know maybe it can have autoplay. I'm not sure but now I can throw this in there. And now I've got advertisement on the top. I've got video speed controls.
I cannot tell you how many diets I have been on. I have tried
They're
more
popping up
than
for
I
me.
can count.
Oh, whoops. And yep, all the product stuff is there. Product led, so I can probably run this on Taboola or something like that. And again, not promising you can, but probably could. And I'll be off for the races. So I can make all different kinds of pages. I can make the page work for my traffic as I need it. If I need an encrypted URL, because I don't want other affiliates to see my ID, because I want to hide from spy tools, I'll throw it down here. Oh, sorry. No, sorry. I need to get that encrypted URL, and then I'd paste it here, and then it would build me something up here with the encryption. So I'll just put a bunch of characters there and see if that works. Okay, I'm doing something wrong there, but I think if they had the encrypted URL from my ClickBank dashboard, I could put it there, and they'd probably spit me out the right parameters I need on that to make all this stuff work. So again, not every offer has this, but a lot of the top offers have something like this, or at least other options of traffic you can send, other options you can send traffic to, and you can get a lot more detailed with how you're linking to these products. So thanks for watching. Happy scaling.